Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another of my bonus plan with me's, and this time I am in my A6 and I'm going to be planning in the vertical A6 layout for this spread. I have a one-page kit from Mermaid at Heart, and my challenge this week is to use a colourful pen. So this is a Papermate Flare. I don't know whether the broadness of this is going to annoy me, so I may switch to an Inkjoy gel in the blue as well, but we'll see. So I've got the one-page kit from Colourful & Co. to do this, to show how you can use a one-page kit in the vertical layout of this planner. I just need the first week there, and as usual I'm going to flip that so that I've got a bit more bulk at both sides, because that's how I plan best. I've got 15mm washi to go with it, and that's about it. I've got stickers pulled out here. This is a memory plan with me for the week of the 17th of August 2020. I probably should have pulled out an August sticker for up here, but I haven't. Oh, they're here, so I probably can. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm going to speed up and voice over this video. Okay, so while I am planning out the week, I am just going to start off with a little apology. And I just want to, and I'm going to be told off for this apology, I know I am, from one or two people, but I just want to apologise that there haven't been like new releases or as many Twinkle Thursdays or exclusive foils recently in the shop. Things have been incredibly busy in my life for the last few months, and I just needed to take that break, but I'm hoping to be back in the new year with like regular monthly new releases, monthly twinkles, monthly exclusive foils, and I'm really sorry if you can hear Kiara like purring away and sorting herself out. She's just come out my dressing gown where she's been curled up for ages. Bless her little cunt socks, and is sitting right next to the microphone, so yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, I just needed to take a bit of time. I've been stressed enough with getting things done that I didn't need to be adding like new releases and more stress to myself, so it was the correct decision, but I do always feel bad for not doing things and I'm not letting you down, but do you know what I mean? I'm not doing what I sort of aimed to do, and I did say that I was going to do New Year sassy overlays, and I just haven't had a chance, and I'm sorry. Yeah, but I intend to be back and better than ever in the new year, with lots and lots of exciting things to come to the shop, including some collabs that I'm incredibly excited about. Kiara has now settled herself back inside my dressing gown, which is very cute and warm and snuggly. It's very nice. So yeah, that's all I really want to say about that. I know I normally talk a little bit longer about a topic, but to be honest, this is quite a quick plan with me because it's so small, that joy of A6 size. And what I did for this memory plan with me is I just picked out like 3 things from each day, 2 or 3 things from each day that were important. So let's run through, what I put down. So on the top of the sidebar, I've put an August 2020 sticker. The August is from my shop and the 2020 is Rose Coloured Days, and the date dots are from my shop. On the Monday, the camera, I've put in listing photos. The listing photos script is a custom I did for myself in the lavender font. The camera, in fact, all of the character stickers on that day are from Fox and Cactus, and the edit script is also from my shop, so that is all Fox and Cactus or Tilly Journals. And what I marked in was doing listing photos, editing, and then going out for dinner at Panavino. This was back in August during Eat Out to Help Out. What a mistake that was. But anyway, moving on, that's why we were eating out, just to clarify. On Tuesday, I marked in doing YouTube comments, again with a custom script from my own shop, a laptop from Papershire. Then I marked in having a date night with a Once More with Love Munchkin sticker and a date night script from my shop, and I marked that we went to the Market Tap, which is a pub in our town. My brother actually works there, with I think that's a Harriet Wright Designs beer sticker. On the Wednesday, I marked in choosing a bank account with Soch, with a Samantha May Sticks money bag. I marked going to Woody's, which is another restaurant in my local town, with knife and fork from Handcrafted by Cherie, and then I marked in choosing stickers using a Choose Stickers script from my shop and a washi from Your World of Colour. On to Thursday. Hello Nala, have you come to join in as well? Oh, what a hard life you two have. Oh my babies. Oh, Kiara's come out to play. What's going to happen now? Can Mummy carry on with her voiceover? What do you think? Anyway, oh my god, my kitchen voice. Please don't play with Mummy's cable though. Please. Anyway, on Thursday I just marked in being on a long day at work. There wasn't really much else to mark in. Then on to Friday I marked in long day at work, that I'd pulled out a load of eyelashes and I was really upset about it. It's a stress thing. That's just move on. And that I marked in kiss and cuddles, but it wasn't actually kiss and cuddles because this is still when we were living at home and before we got the bubbers. In fact, they weren't even born at this point. So it was playing with Jack and Jess, probably cuddles with Jack and Jess, my parents' cats. Then again, we lived with them at this point, so we were at home. On the Saturday I used a weekend banner from my shop over the glitter headers from the kit to mark in that it was the weekend. I marked in packing orders on Saturday. Oh, I haven't been saying where stickers are from, damn it. The pack order script is mine, as are the prescription bottles on Thursday and Friday. The long day script is from Handcrafted by Cherie. Both of the character stickers on Friday are from Fox and Cactus. On the Saturday, the pack orders icon is for a character sticker is from Choco and Mimi, and then I also marked in playing D&D with a D20 from Colourful and Co. On to the Sunday, the last day of this plan with me, I marked in organising stickers with a wonton and a million steamy, and then I marked in filming with a creativity and ink film slate thing and a script from my shop. And then I marked in doing some design work using a design script from my shop and a Fox and Cactus character, and that is it really. I used a Simply Gilded washi at the bottom of the page because Beth's one-page kits don't come with any washi. So yeah, that's about it for this. So let's pass back to Tilly, and oh, I write everything in with a blue pen, which is a challenge of this spread. Completely forgot about that. So yeah, that's about it for this spread, and I'll pass over back to Tilly with the finished spread. Okay, so here is the finished spread. I sort of copped out because I barely had to use any pen because I used so many scripts, but let me know, do you think I copped out? The only problem I found was that the pen looks really different on the paper and on stickers. I presume it's just like the way the ink reacts with the stickers. And all I have left from the kit is one of the heart checklist, the Monday through the habit tracker, and I also have the checklists from like the 4 heart checklists because I don't use them, but everything else I used. So really good use of the kit. Really like how this came together and really like how it turned out. Anything I would have changed was not having these 2 felt boxes both here, but I couldn't do anything about that because the day that I didn't have much going on was the Thursday. And how I did this is I just pulled out like my best 3 moments of the day, or like the 3 moments I felt needed documenting of the day, and that's how you can memory plan in a much smaller planner. I probably won't use it for now, but in my future. Oh, I've missed something here. Oh, it was because I couldn't remember the name of this restaurant, but it's Panabino. So I didn't write it in, but then I just remembered it now. So completely forgot what I was saying. But it would be really good if you're like really busy and you just want something to really quickly memory plan in. The only sticker I got rid of was this. I was going to mark that we played pool on one of these days, but because I put the weekend banner in, there wasn't room, and that's fine. So yeah, that's all I really have for this video. As I said, used a blue pen. What do we think? I think it works with this kit, to be fair. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll be back on Friday which is Christmas. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas guys, it's Christmas on Friday. That's part of the reason I use this kit this week because it's Beth's birthday on Friday, on Christmas Day. So I was like, yeah, I'll use a Colourful and Co kit, and I'm actually using a Colourful and Co kit in my real planner, like the planner I'm actually planning in this week as well. So yeah, that's really nice. But that's all I've got for you today. Comment like below how you're doing, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.